Abakhulukhulu abalandeli bezemidlalo bahlangane ukubhiyoza nokukhumbula uMbulaeni Mulaudzi, uPhindile Mwelase noSenzo Meyiwa. Abahlobo noxa babo bazamile ukukhuthaza nokunika ingxaso kwiintsapho zaba badlali.
I was a friend of Mulaudzi in the field, out in the field. We competed together, you know, from 2001, between 2001 and 2005, we had made sure that we raised the South African flag high.
Phindile was a very dedicated woman when it comes to boxing. And she was also one of the developing or up-and-coming boxers.
We were not just friends, we were brothers, because we wanted to achieve the same goals. I was listening to Senzo's friend saying Senzo started off as a striker. I also started off as a striker. We both ended up finding our positions that were meant for us.
Abaninzi kwezemidlalo bakuchaze ukufa kwabadlali njengelifu elimnyama kweli loMzantsi Afrika. Abadlali baza kungcwatywa ngoMgqibelo kumakhaya abo. uMeyiwa noMwelase baza kubekwa KwaZulu-Natal ze uMulaudzi abekwe eLimpopo. Ukushona eGauteng.